Kreg Pocket-Hole joints are a great way to create DIY and woodworking projects that are built to last and that go together fast. With a Kreg Pocket-Hole jig, you can build almost anything from solid wood, plywood, and other sheet goods. Sometimes though, there are times when a smaller pocket hole and a smaller size screw would be great, like when you're building drawers from half-inch thick stock, when you want to attach narrow pieces, or when you're working with super dense hardwoods that are harder to drill into. That's why we make Kreg Micro Pocket Drill Guide Kits. You'll find two different Micro Pocket drill guides, one that works with the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 520 and another one for the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720. Micro drill guides snap into the jigs in place of the standard drill guide, and they work just the same way. The difference is they drill a 25% smaller hole using the Micro Pocket drill bit. It has easy set markings and a stop collar, just like the standard size pocket hole drill bit. Once you drill your pocket holes, you can assemble them with Kreg SPS panhead pocket hole screws. Micro Pocket drill guide kits come from Kreg, so you know they'll work great and are built to last by the #1 pocket hole brand. That means you'll find a complete line of pocket hole jigs, the best selection of pocket hole screws, plus the tools, accessories, support, plans, and educational information you need to succeed. To learn more about the Micro Pocket drill guide kits for the Pocket Hole Jig 520 and 720, as well as Kreg's other products for building DIY and woodworking projects, visit us online at kregtool.com.